Hello students, welcome to Samclass. So today in this crash, what we have started for the second PU, first thing is to analyze the enemy. Now what is the enemy here? The second PU board. So we need to analyze what kind of questions, which way they ask the questions, how do we represent it, and everything. So let's see the model question paper. So our whole analysis will be based on the model question paper given by the second PU board for the April 2022 session. Now we know 3 hours 15 minutes and all that marks 100. Now we have 5 sections A, B, C, D and E. So 5 sections. The first section is part A and we have 1 markers. Now a lot of students, they feel difficulty in this. Don't worry. Once we have started the chapter wise crash and we are doing the chapters per chapter, we'll be telling you which questions are important and which can be coming for the 1 marker. So you don't have to worry about anything. Okay. So we'll see first from the first chapter, relation function, ITF and all that questions are there. We have analyzed how many questions are there. So first we have 15 questions from the 1 marker. Next, if you see in the 2 marker section, almost around 18 questions we have in the 2 marker section. So 2 markers, 18 questions we have. And then C is a 3 marker section. In the 3 marker, again we have 18 questions. So very simple. Some a bit calculative, some a bit tricky. We'll see, but not much. And then again, we have the 5 markers. Okay. So 5 markers questions we have, and then the 10 markers. So 5 sections starting from 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 and 10 markers. Now, which chapter, what kind of questions comes up? Is it simple, easy, difficult? What kind of things comes up? Let's analyze it. So let's see. So if you see from the chapter relation and functions, question number 1, question number 2 was from 1 marker part. From question number 2 marker, question number 16 was that. Question number from 3 marker, 34 number question was that. 55 for 5 marker, 52 and 53 was that. And then total of 17 marks in the first chapter, relation and functions. Now see, so we can score a lot of marks from this chapter also. ITF, if you see, 1 marker we have 2 questions. 2 marker again 2 questions. 3 marker 1 question. That's it done. So 9 questions we can get. Same way matrices and determinant, 1 marker. 1-2 marker, 1-3 marker, 1-5 marker, and 2-4 markers in the 10 marker part. It is 10 markers usually comes for 6 and 4. 6 from one of the LPP or something, and 4 from the matrix or determinant or from continuity and differentiability. This time in the sample paper we saw from determinant part. Application of derivative, 1-2 marker, 3-2 markers, and 1-5 markers. 1 question of 6 markers. Okay. Integrals, 2-1 marker, 3-2 marker, 3-3 markers, 1-5 marker, 1-6 marker. So highest weightage, that is this chapter. 2 chapters, very high weightage, integrals, continuity and differentiability. Okay. So if somebody is good in calculus, he can do like just by calculus, he can take a lot. Okay, he can do almost 90% of the things. You can do almost 90% of the things. Now, application of integrals, 1-3 marker, 1-5 marker, max 8. Differential, 1-2 marker, 2-3 marker, and 1-5 marker. So 13. Vectors again, 2-1 marker, 2-2 markers, and 3-2 markers. Okay, so 12. 3D geometry, 1-1 marker, 2-2 markers, 1-3 marker, 1-5 marker. LPP, 1 marker and 6 marker. So 7. Probability, 1 marker, 2 marker, 1-3 marker, and 2-5 markers. Okay, so again 16. Now, if you see the basic average analysis, if you see relation function 17 marks, inverse 9, math index 30, okay, this whole of calculus is of 91 marks, 91 marks. So if you are too strong in calculus, you can just do this part and you can club with this, then calculus plus ITF. Calculus plus ITF will be equal to what? 100 marks. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Vector 3D 25 marks, LPP 7 and probability 6. Now let's say somebody, a lot of times what happens, we are scared with calculus. In case if you are scared with calculus, then what you can do? Skip this. Take this. This will be around what? 56 marks. Take this. So total around 103 marks will be done. Then that's it. Why we need calculus? So we can do without calculus also. 100 out of 100. We can score easily without doing the calculus part. So 100 out of 100 we can score easily without doing the calculus part. So you don't have to worry. And if somebody is very strong in calculus, so they do the calculus and ITF, they'll be able to score 100 out of 100. Now, how will we target and what is the analysis? Let's see. We went through each and every question. We saw relation function, very simple and easy questions. Nothing was there. Okay. ITF, very simple, chill questions, just formulas and all, application done. Very simple. Okay. Math and det, it is simple, but lengthy and calculative. Okay. So there you have to take care. Okay. There, if you do one mistake, you're gone case. C and D, basic knowledge you need. Okay. So basic knowledge, if you have, you'll be able to solve. Integrals, yes, you have to practice. All the formulas, everything you have to practice and then do. Integrals is good. AOI, again average, not that difficult, but okay. Differential, average plus. Some questions are good. Vectors, again simple, 3D simple, directly, formula put, answer or derivation. Okay, nothing more than that. Formula plus derivation. Formula plus derivation, nothing more than that. Okay. LPP, sometimes one or two things are tricky, otherwise very simple. Probability, easy only. Nothing is there. Okay. So what comes out of this gist is, even though if you're just doing 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21, you'll be able to finish each and everything and you'll be able to score 100 out of 100. So what are the chapters that we will be targeting? See, we will be targeting the chapter first is one part. This part is very simple. We'll be targeting vectors. We'll be targeting relation functions. We'll be targeting ITF. We'll be targeting math and det. We'll be targeting probability. We'll be targeting LPP. We'll be targeting, what do you say, 3D. Once we've done targeting, then we'll target the calculus. Okay. So any difficulty, anything, do comment, and it is free to all of the students. Okay, and it will be there in the YouTube platform. So it's my request to you all, if you like it, the effort what we'll be putting up for making up all the videos of all chapters, including the 1 marker, 3 marker, making the PDFs for 1 marker, 3 marker, and then doing the questions and everything, explaining the derivations. So do share to all the friends who are in need of the course, who have lost the hope that I haven't studied anything. Will I be able to score 100 out of 100? Definitely, it's a guarantee. You will be able to score 100 out of 100 in the second PU. Only thing is, you have to be dedicated. One short video I'm coming up, what things you need to skip and how you can maintain your focus so that you can score out in the second PU maths. Okay. So this is the same analysis what we told we'll be doing relations, ITF, math and det, and then we'll be going vector, 3D, LPP, probability. Once we're done with all that, then we'll go for the calculus. Okay. So that's it. See you in the next video with the next chapter in detail, what things we need to follow so that we don't lose our focus. And of target is out in maths, physics and chem. Till then, work hard, be good, be honest, Jai Hind.